Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we do the dirty work so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. It's Lefant M210 versus Shark AI Ultra Voice Control. It's the battle of the bots, and things are about to get sucktacular. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the factor that hits us all right in the wallet: price. The Lefant M210 comes in at a cool $199. That's cheaper than a fancy dinner for two in New York City. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra is a whopping $599. At that price, you'd expect it to not just clean your house, but also make you breakfast in bed and walk your dog. So if you're looking to save some cash, Lefant's got your back. Next, let's talk about pet hair. Both of these bad boys claim to be great for homes with pets. Lefant M210, with its brushless suction port, ensures pet hair goes straight into the bin without getting tangled. It's like a hair salon that never clogs up. Reviewers found it especially useful for homes with pets that shed a lot. Meanwhile, the Shark AI Ultra boasts a self-cleaning brush roll that digs deep into carpets and hardwood floors. It's like a vacuum with a personal vendetta against pet hair. Reviewers appreciated its effectiveness on hardwood floors and its help with allergies, although it may struggle with carpets. So if you have a fur factory at home, either of these will do the trick. Now, cleaning modes, because variety is the spice of life, right? The Lefant M210 offers 6 cleaning modes: auto, spot, edge, zigzag, scheduled, and manual. It's like the Swiss Army knife of vacuums. But oh wait, don't use zigzag on carpets unless you want to see your vacuum do the worm. On the flip side, Shark AI Ultra has Matrix Clean, which sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. It cleans in a precision matrix grid, making sure no dirt is left behind. It's basically the Keanu Reeves of vacuums, dodging bullets and dirt alike. Let's get techie with smart features. Lefant M210 connects through the Lefant app and can be controlled via Alexa or Google Assistant. You can schedule cleanings, adjust suction, and check the cleaning area. It's like having a personal butler who actually listens to you, unlike your kids. Reviewers noted the app was sometimes not user-friendly, but overall found the controls convenient. Shark AI Ultra, on the other hand, takes it up a notch with 360 degrees LiDAR vision for precision home mapping. It avoids obstacles like a pro, even in the dark. Plus, it also responds to voice commands. It's basically the James Bond of vacuums. All it's missing is a martini. Shaken, not stirred. Reviewers praised its mapping capabilities, but mentioned the app could use some improvements, like adding a no-go zone feature. Battery life and auto-empty. 2 more things to consider. The Lefant M210 has a 120-minute runtime, which is pretty impressive for its price. But keep it in low suction mode if you want to hit that mark. Reviewers found it effective for regular use, but noted that it might struggle with larger areas. The Shark AI Ultra, however, has recharge and resume. It goes back to its dock, juices up, and then continues where it left off. Plus, it empties itself into a bagless base that holds up to 60 days of dirt. It's like the vacuum that never sleeps. A true workaholic. Reviewers appreciated its self-emptying feature, though they found it a bit noisy. Overall, reviewers found the Lefant M210 to be a cost-effective and reliable option, especially for homes with pets and hard floors. Its affordability and ease of use were major highlights, although it may struggle with carpets and larger areas. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra impressed reviewers with its advanced features and deep cleaning capabilities, particularly on hardwood floors. Its self-emptying feature and precision mapping were big hits, despite some minor issues with noise and app functionalities. So there you have it, folks. The Lefant M210 is the budget-friendly hero with a knack for getting into tight spaces and handling pet hair without a fuss. The Shark AI Ultra, while pricier, offers incredible suction, self-emptying, and high-tech mapping that's perfect for those who want their home spotless without lifting a finger. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep shopping smart and may your floors be ever clean. Product links are in the description. Happy vacuuming, everyone!